You feel me?
Get the strap.
Oh, hell. This nigga about to shoot my phone.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the tray master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
That gunk is still up in me, yo. Ready? YouTube, what is good? Generational hype. It's back at you with yet another video, man. Pushing these things out even when I got the flu, man.
Goddamn, you want me to talk?
Oh yeah, you talk.
You, how you going? How you doing, man? Young Pinky Ring Austin back up in this thing with another chicken wing. Nah, what we gonna do today? First, if you didn't like, comment, and subscribe to the video, do that now. If not, just leave. Like, just. Ooh, whoa. But yeah, so I'm gonna get straight into the video, man. Shout out to all the haters and all that stuff. You can leave now too. But today, man, you know, shout out to the plug, showing us love, man. Got a little something. They come out tomorrow. Today is the 26th. Merry Christmas to everybody. Comment what gifts you got today. Yesterday. Your boy got a little something. But these are the Nike Air Skylon Fear of Gods. You know, we be fearing God over here, man. I guess so. So, without further ado, we got regular packaging. You can hold that one. I'll take this one. And bam, here it is right here. So, this one, out of all the Fear of God collection, is more of a everyday wear, right, you would say? Well, I might actually put the white laces in that guy, right? The white laces make it look better. But this is it right here. It has a all, what is it, suede leather almost? The carpet material.
Yeah, this is
The carpet material, shout out to John. It has the Fear of God signature on the back right here. Got the regular plain metallic Nike swoosh with the aglets, you know, regular degular like a hoodie. And then what's this car right here? Like the
lace lock.
Lace locks right here. So, you know, when it comes in the lace lock. This almost look like a, what, an Air Max 1?
Yeah, it's reminiscent of an Air Max 1. As far as the sole has a lot of Air Max 1 qualities to it.
Almost like a 97. Not a 97. There's one shoe that's like this.
That's very reminiscent to an Air Max 1.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Shoot. Alright.
All of this part is Air Max 1, and this heel part is Air Max 1. It's just this little mid section right here that's a little different.
It has a little off-white cream type sole, like if you had a pair of the off-white Jordan 1s. And other than that, it looks like a pretty simple wear everyday shoe. I like the way it feels. I've already tried it on. So this is actually my pair. He got something else, which is the next video. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And other than that, man, what comments you got?
The tongue is dope. It's perforated.
Perforated. Spell that.
All the way through.
Spell that. Yeah, that's what I thought. Perforated. P-E-R-F-E-R. Hated. Perforated. Had to get a chuckle out of that one.
I really like the sole a lot. I like the complete mock-up of the shoe. On feet with these is crazy. Like, it looked really good on foot. Retail
140.
is 140. It's a dope sneaker, man. It's dope.
As he fights the flu.
Yeah, that gungus, man.
Yeah, man. Say no to the flu, man. Yeah, fear God things.
Fear God things.
In the building. For the sun. Shout out to everybody, man. Shout out to, you know, yourselves. You're beautiful.
So today is Wednesday, the 26th, man. Day after Christmas. These drop on the 27th, man. I'm gonna try to get this video out tonight, along with the other video that we've been late on, but it's gonna be a double up tonight on these videos, man. So if y'all looking for these guys, man, they will be up on the channel on the 26th.
Not down. Up.
Up. Guys are up. Yo, the inside of this guy, the whole heel tab is leather on the inside.
Ooh. Nice.
So that is definitely a nice touch. That's gonna make this thing super comfortable.
But yeah, man. Anything else you got to say? Just comment down below. We'll reply back accordingly.
That's it, man.
Simple as that. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Show us love. We'll show love back. Maybe another Christmas gift next year. You don't know. But yeah, make sure you have a happy new year. If we don't get to you, we'll get to you.
Much love to everybody, man. We see you soon. Dad, son, Cam, holla.